everyone, this is Dr. Nishana Jumuddin. So we at Unacademy has come up with an exclusive prelims crash course starting on Jan 23rd, 2024 for all the aspirants who are appearing for the 2024 prelims examination. So why waiting? Come and enroll for this exclusive prelims crash course at Unacademy and get trained by India's leading IAS trainers in such a manner that you are able to clear your examination in the very first attempt itself. This particular crash course will have a holistic coverage of all the important prelims oriented subjects in the most effective manner. In this particular crash course, we at Unacademy will provide exclusive classroom handwritten notes which will enable the candidate to have a clear-cut understanding of what are the important UPSC keyword that they should keep in mind with regard to the examination perspective. Apart from that, exclusive triple T approach called as textbook, techniques and test series approach in classroom will be done by all the leading trainers at Unacademy to make sure that the students are in their right track of preparation. And now in this particular prelims crash course, we at Unacademy is also focused in discussing the most important hit list topics for prelims 2024, the topics that have more probability to come for the examination. And now apart from that, there is an effective interlinkaging of static plus current affairs related to the topic of discussion, which is very vital, keeping in mind the recent UPSC prelims examination perspective. Along with that, there will be a quick 360-degree coverage of exam-oriented topics along with the complete discussion of the PYQs in this particular crash course. And now the list is more. In this crash course, there will be exclusive 40 plus prelims test series that we will be doing here. CSAT is becoming increasingly difficult over the years. We all know that. So now exclusive CSAT test will also be conducted by us, making sure that the most important qualifying paper is CSAT. The aspirants are having a great time clearing that particular test series as a whole. So now, why waiting? Get yourself enrolled for this exclusive prelims crash course at Unacademy IAS Offline Center, Karol, Bagh, making sure that your preparation is on the right track. It is not about studying, it is about exam-oriented preparation. And that is the reason this exclusive prelims crash course is launched by us at Unacademy. So click on the link below. The first 100 enrollments will get a 20% off from the fees that is given below. So now come join us because we teach and you reach. That is what we believe in. So let's crack it. Thank you and Jai Hind.